Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. We're also going to talk about a really nice short position that we currently have open, and we're also going to talk about potential future price action for Bitcoin in the short-term future. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. Jumping straight on into the charts then, what we can see is Bitcoin is having a nice pullback, okay? We were initially having a bigger pullback, okay, but that has been bought up, as you can very clearly see from this big wick towards the downside here. However, for me right now, I'm still remaining more bearish than bullish, and I will get onto that in a moment, okay? First, I just want to talk about this short position that we currently have open from $31,471, okay? So what we do, if we zoom out on the charts, we can see that we shorted from this level right here. There was a really nice shorting opportunity there, and I gave this short to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord over here. So if you want access to that, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click join BitTrading, and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord where I'm giving my whole mindset away and all the trades that I take away as well. So make sure you take advantage of that. Okay, and one of the trades that I actually gave to my members on Sunday, so only a few days ago, was actually a little long position, okay? And as we can observe, let's go into the 30-minute time frame here, okay? We took this long position right here. Let's get this fixed range to load. There we go. So what we can see is we took this long position here. Okay, it was only a very small long position, okay, but initially it was a very successful trade, and I did give this trade to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord. So very clearly I stated it's a long for me because we were seeing an SFP of sell side liquidity and bull divs on the CBD. Okay, so for me it was a long, okay, I stated very clearly and I showed where I was long from, where my stop loss was, and where I was looking for a TP as well. Okay, and I very clearly showed you TP1 at 11.26%. So a really nice quick scalp trade there for 11% move. Okay, and then I was updating my team with what I was looking for. Okay, we had a bull flag coming. Unfortunately, that bull flag did get invalidated. Okay, so what did I say? Well, I said moving stop loss to entry as I'm seeing weakness coming into the market. Okay, so I said I was seeing weakness coming into the market, so I moved that stop loss to entry, okay, which meant, okay, that the price started to pull back because we were seeing the weakness coming into the market. And then initially that trade did get stopped out because we did hit that our entry price, okay, which was where the stop loss was. Okay, so I'm telling my team everything that I'm doing with my trades, okay? I told them when I was taking profit, and I told them when I was moving my stop loss to entry, which we like to do here at Bit Trading because it does de-risk the trade, okay? What you want to do is take profits, move that stop loss to entry to de-risk yourself from that trade and ensure that you cannot turn that winning trade into a losing trade. So that's what we did. And because I said we were seeing weakness in the market, we got that continuation towards the downside, okay? And that brings us to where we are right now, okay? And what we're seeing right now, of course, we're seeing this slight bounce, okay? We had a big wick towards the downside, okay? This is, looking fairly bullish, okay? But there isn't enough confirmation for me right now to actually enter into a trade, okay? And I did let my team know there was a trading opportunity that I was looking for, and I actually let them know even before I entered this long, okay? Which was, if we could come and hit this low of the current range, okay, at $28,827, okay, then we could be looking for a long position, okay, from down here. Okay, now this is potentially still valid, okay? Yes, we could still see a nice bounce towards the upside from here, but I've not entered a trade, okay? I've not told my team that I'm entering into a trade because I haven't entered into a trade because I haven't seen the right confluence, okay? What I would have liked to see is an SFP of the range low here, okay? And I would have liked to see some bullish divergences coming into the market as well. However, I haven't seen any of that coming into the market on either the CBDs, okay? And I haven't seen that SFP of the range low either, okay? As you can see, we actually took the range low right here very slightly, but initially we did take that range low, okay? So for me, I didn't see any bullish indications to enter that trade, and that was a really really good call from myself, because that trade would have just been stopped out, okay, because we would have entered at approximately $28,800. Okay, our stop loss would have been at $28,661. Okay, but as you can see, that trade would have been stopped out. Okay, and I didn't take this trade. Okay, I didn't tell my team that I took this trade either, because I didn't take the trade. It wasn't looking like it wasn't looking bullish for me. Okay, the price just wasn't looking bullish, so I didn't take that trade. Okay, I'm still not seeing enough confirmation and enough confluence to enter into a long position, so I'm not going to do that unless I see the confirmation and the confluence. Okay, then, you know, if I see it, then I will enter into a long position, but I don't see it as of right now, so we could be expecting lower prices. Okay, we could be expecting a continuation towards the downside. So we do have to be very, very careful, okay? Yeah, that's what I was looking for, and unfortunately it did not occur, and that is the right thing. You know, that was the right decision on my behalf, because that trade, again, would have been stopped out. So where can we expect the price to go in the near-term future, okay? Well, if we start seeing any, you know, bullish confirmations, bullish signs here, then of course, you know, I'm going to let my team know that I'm seeing those bullish confirmations and bullish confluence, and then I will let my team know if or whether or not I enter a trade, okay, over on the Visionary Discord. Okay, if I don't, I will let them know. If I do, then I will let them know as well. But as of right now, I'm still just evaluating this price action and you know, determining whether it is the right time to be entering into a long position, or if I should hold off and wait for the price to move lower. So that's what I'm currently doing. So right now, I'm just remaining patient. I'm not doing anything. I'm just observing what price action is doing. And that's what everyone should be doing right now. Okay, of course, this is not financial advice, but everyone right now should just be remaining patient, looking for their confirmation factors and looking for their confluence as well. If you don't see any confluence, if you don't see any confirmation factors, okay, you stand back. You don't always have to be in a trade, okay? Fortunately for us, we are in a really, really nice trade here at Bit Trading. We're in a current short position, okay, which as you can see is just over 90% in a profit, okay? Really, really nice trade there. And yeah, I am going to continue to hold that trade open if I don't see any bullish indications coming into the market. So right now, just remaining patient, waiting for confirmation and confluence before I enter into a trade. Okay, and of course, as always, if I do enter a trade, the first people to know about it will be the people on the Visionary Discord. So make sure you gain access to that by clicking the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to that. We're currently running a 25% discount on the Visionary membership. So use BitTrading use BIT25 for 25% off. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. You know, having that movement towards the downside, but we're already capitalizing on that because we're already in this really, really nice short position here. So I'm not too worried, you know, if the price continues to move lower, okay, because we're capitalizing on that, okay. Now, if the price moves higher, okay, of course, you know, we could have missed a trade here, but the confluence and the confirmation wasn't there, so there was no reason for me to enter into a trade. You know, here at Bit Trading, we stick to our rules, and that's how we are 80% profitable. The majority, that's how we are. We have a 80% win rate. Okay, by, you know, having our rules and sticking to our rules as well. Okay, so if you want to join Bit Trading, click the link in the description and gain access to that Discord. It also gives you access to all of our trading courses as well, so make sure you take full advantage of that. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If there's anything else I need to update you with, of course, I will update you. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notifications on, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.